Thank you, first of all. Actually, before I was thinking, what I should say here, because after starting a startup and get some report on any newspaper, obviously many colleges start to invite you for the session. So same, I was thinking that, as this is a community, so I was think before creating a PPT, I was thinking what I will share, or I mean, what I should share here. So what I come to know that, you know in all the other session what I was speaking, I'm not going to speak all these things here because this is a community, obviously, so I will not take much time here. And as whatever I have did till now is because of the people I am surrounded with. So the only purpose to be here is to surround with you all people. So I would like to share about the this hashtag. uh, Soon after finishing my 4 PPT, you would come to know why I have put it these in front. First of all, let me introduce myself.
Yeah, Mohit, you can make it full screen. I think it will help.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Hi everyone, I am Mohit Prajapati, founder of offerlocation.com, which I started when I was pursuing mechanical engineering. Meanwhile, I am also doing it as a digital marketing work as a freelancer. So I am 100% agree with Darshan sir. Since last 3 years, I am doing this digital marketing, all these work. I have worked for a VMart, a brand like VMart, as a freelancer. So right now, even I am suggesting all these brands, you should not, go to any consultant. Use these 3 or 5 tools right now, and you can, promote your brands with the use of tool. Like there are hotspot, there are a lot of good tools are there which can do digital marketing, whether this is on page or off page marketing or link building. Everything can be done digitally online. So I think obviously I'm agree that digital marketing was going to burst like a dot-com bubble. So after as I am a mechanical engineer, so when I was thinking about my startup, that was about website and app related to online business. So as a mechanical engineer, again community, my friend circle helped me to learn a website building, app development, all these things. So I'm a believer of this community because whatever I have did till now is because of the people I'm surrounded with. These are some newspaper who covered me after. This is a big story. I mean, I don't say the many newspaper had covered. There are a number of other also, but this is the after even getting a one news in newspaper, you see how the people who start was ignoring you because telling your one website like anything, you are going to meet thousands of people, but nobody was approaching me. But when you see a newspaper and your mother say, oh, see your photo, your news is there, then you feel, yeah, some you whatever you are doing, you are doing something great. Because I have meet thousands of retailers, because my business is related to retailers. We approach retailers and connect to on our platform. So when I was starting, so I have connected almost 1,000 retailers. I was meeting like anything. Meanwhile I was pursuing mechanical engineering, so I was pressurized at college. You have to pass exam and all these things. Although I have got a 80%, but I was visiting so many cities, small cities. So all these things really help me. So I suggest you, whatever you want to do, just do it. Good will come to you. Yes, when we was discussing with Darshan sir, what we will have to share actually. So he told me that you have to share your achievement. So only one thing comes in my mind. That was -1 to 0. Whatever I have done till now is -1 to just a 0. Right now I am on 0 position because I have started from -1, I believe, but I will go to 0 to 1 surely. So I would not say actually my startup is incubated with the government of MP, and soon actually they have released a fund of 3 CR. Soon I believe soon I will get this fund. And mechanical, I have one patent that is improve automated wheelchair. And one of the newspaper from Bhopal actually I was a runner of that award, that was youth icon award. Then most of the people from Bhopal messaged that yes, he is a boy and he inspired us. So and again, as my patent has received an international, national, or some state level award also. Right now in a lockdown, I was working on one research paper that was related to OTT, because I believe OTT is going to be a next big thing. and it is. So I was working on that research paper, and the whatever, if I would, if somebody would say, just summarize all these things. So I would say I'm very much inspired by the book Start with Why. So I would like to summarize everything with this one word: start with why, then how, where, when. Everything would be easy. Whatever I have did till now, I have a purpose and I have a why, because these things I'm doing because I wanted to impact, I wanted to do all these things. When you have clear why, everything would be easy, I believe. I would like to summarize these start whatever you are doing right now. Just think about your why. And right now, I just people are saying in a lockdown. Actually, people will not get job. All these things, and they are being so much selfish and sharing content on. If you're not liking my post, I will not like. If you are not commenting, I will not. I have seen. I do AMA on my Instagram, so I received some questions that was related to all these, like my friends are doing these things and what should I do. So I would say, you have you have to build a community, you have to think about others, you have to be surrounded with good people. This is the only way to go forward, and you have to clear your why. If your why is clear, everything will be clear soon. Thank you. You can connect me on Instagram and LinkedIn and Twitter also. Thank you.
Yeah, Pallavi, over to you.
Thank you, Mohit. So, I was just thinking about what you said, that you conducted this Ask Me Anything on Instagram, and people were asking you that, what to do. My friends are doing so many things. Do you think that is also a reason why students these days prefer to go for multiple internships instead of just sticking to one? Because I also have that fear, that I might miss out on a good opportunity and I might miss out on learning something new. So I always, tend to like direct my focus in three different directions instead of one direction. So
Correct.
I mean, what do you think?
Yeah, even in addition to that, let me add one point and then Mohit answers. It's you have selected a rough ground, approached from a person to person to person, and then you got a success. If you
Right.
have just gone, in a 10 direction and not got, in
Right.
a unidirection, how you might have got success. So explain both questions in one, Mohit.
I have something to add, like very interesting. And I always feel, like whatever our perception or whatever our mindset is because of certain, certain things which happen in a life or in our parents' life or in our grandparents' life, right? So
Mhm.
and whatever is like my industry has taught me, whatever happens, it doesn't happen by just one reaction. It takes a lot of things, to come up and build a mindset. So, for example, I wanted to ask everybody, if you remember, earlier we had only two TV channels, Doordarshan and National TV, right? So we used to see only those things, right? Now we have like choice in everything, be it like Zomato, Swiggy, or any other food panda. Like you name it, a particular thing, and you will have like five choices or 10 choices, right? So that has somehow, inculcate in our mindset also that we want to have options, to be honest,
Right.
right? Be it any student, be it any professional, be it any like anybody, we want to keep like that do in our both hands or wherever we can keep in our pocket or in our wherever we can keep. So that's become our mindset, right? Even if I have to like book a flight, I'll see 10 options, who can give me the best deal, who can give me like free upgrade or anything. Or like this is a small example, we can put it in everything. Like so our mindset has changed. We have to accept it that now
Mhm.
we are more
Yeah.
into like having options rather than sticking to two options. Sorry, yeah, now Mohit, who
Yeah,
was
absolutely. So you were saying why you are going into so many directions.
Sorry. Yeah,
What you are
Mohit, you can answer, Mohit. So
Yes, yes. So actually, the thing is that I believe we have to explore everything. If you think you should explore these things, if you think you like that thing, I believe you should explore. So this is what I'm doing. If I believe that yeah, I should. This is the good thing. I should explore. So I'm exploring. By the grace of God, whatever I'm exploring, I'm getting something good out of it. So there are a lot of people who they don't know about their passion and all these things. So I'm the same. So whatever I think, yeah, this is a good thing. I should explore. I explore. So this is the that is the reason when I see my resume, I see oh, no, this is going long and long, and everything is good up to the mark. And I don't know that how company is gonna see that resume that he's doing all these things, these things. But thing is that I just wanted to explore everything because life is too short. I believe.
No, that's true. Means you should explore everything, but where you end up, you should know. Like today you learn Java, tomorrow you will learn SAP. The after day, you do web development, and then you do, medical. Then you do doctors, marketing, hoteling. Hotelier. Will you end up anywhere? You must be doing
Yes, sir. I would
everything in
like to
your
answer.
domain. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I would like to answer.
Hmm.
When you explore so many things, one things come. When you see, yeah, I like this thing. I like to go ahead with this thing only. I don't want to go with other things.
Hmm.
So this is the
So
only way you can find out your passion or something you want to do.
correct.
I
So.
think so.
Hmm.
Because I was pursuing mechanical engineer. Then I was
Hmm.
while I startup I was meeting so many people. I
Okay.
started to see that I have sold my idea to so many people. Why don't I think I should go for a marketing? So I started
Hmm.
my MBA and now I'm going in a management. Maybe
Hmm.
exploring so many things helped me to gain a right path that I
No,
should go for
agree.
an MBA and go for a
The
marketing.
point over here, Pallavi, which Pallavi has made, is not regarding your failure. It is regarding your success. In fact, that you have chosen to one area, and that's why you are getting successful. Why you are in newspaper? All these five newspaper are showing your different successes or only one success.
Uh, I think they are showing my different success because different thing help me to go for a single vision. I have
Yeah,
explored
but it's
so
single
many.
vision, correct? The vision is single.
Yeah, vision is all vision and mission is always single, I believe.
That is only
But the way you
one.
go to the
Yeah.
vision,
So
yes, sir.
that is the one web app which you have developed, correct?
Yes,
Okay. So imagine you have developed an Ola app, a Swiggy app, and any other app. Will you be successful? You have developed something which is a platform. You can
yes, sir.
develop 10 apps. Now you are expert of 10. You can develop it afterwards. After 2 years, you can definitely develop 10
Yes,
different apps. Multiply your success. Yeah. But
yes, sir.
at least that's the view. And that is being told by Pallavi. Even that is my view and suggestion. It may be possible that people are good at multitasking, can approach multiple things at the same time, I think, and they can achieve success in it.